Hello, my beautiful nail babies. Welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a Tobeglam review and unboxing. I want to give a huge shout out for reaching out to me and sending me this Polygel kit. I really do appreciate it, and let's start off. Right now I'm just unboxing the instructions pamphlet. Super useful, and I love the theme here, which is pink. Who doesn't love pink? I absolutely love the light pink aesthetic here. Next we have this cute little lamp. It's super cute. It was like that because I already had used it before, so it doesn't come like that. Then we are going to pull out the file. It's 100 and 180 grit file, and then the usual polygel brush that comes in all polygel kits, which has a spatula on one end, and then we have the brush on the other. Super nice, and it's very like sturdy, and I love the color, of course. So for these nail forms, I was super surprised because this is the first brand I've ever seen have two different shapes of dual forms. So they have the stiletto one, and then they have the regular one that you see in all polygel kits, which this is awesome. You could do it to an almond, square, coffin, you name it, you got it. Up next, we have our usual top and base coat. Once again, I love the color. Then we have this beautiful shade. I believe it's pretty pink. Next up, we have You're My Queen. Then we have Just in Pink. We have Sweet Talk. Oh, she pretty. And then we have a clear, which is awesome because not a lot of polygel kits have a clear polygel in their kits, so I love that. And then we are just going to start off with the base coat and apply it on all my nails, and then cure it under my UV lamp. So far, I'm loving this polygel kit. It's super cute. I love the aesthetic. Once again, anything pink grabs my attention, so I could definitely see this being a big hit. So after all this is cured, I'm gonna go in with Sweet Talk and create a nail bed. I will be using my French tip cutter to create that smile line, and I'm also using a base coat as a slip solution, and let me tell you, that's a game changer. I used to use alcohol, but then my polygel would break apart if I used too much. But wow, base coat, amazing. I love it. So yeah, definitely try it with base coat if you've been having problems. So here I'm just gonna use my tip cutter, and bam, we got a smile line. Super easy. And just make sure to clean off any polygel left behind on the tip. So I'm gonna be repeating this step on all my nails except the ring finger, because I do plan on using a glitter on that one, well, a glitter polygel that is in the kit. And yeah, like I said, the polygel is super workable. I love it. Super smooth, and I highly recommend it. I will be leaving my code around here because I do have a discount code with them. So I'm going in with Pretty Much and applying it all over my nail. I do apply a small amount because I will be going in with the clear or the pure shade to add more strength to it. As you see, it has a very nice color. It does give different shades when the light hits, so I love this color. I wish there was more polygels that were like this, but yeah, a big thumbs up for this shade of polygel. So here I'm also applying some on my pointer finger because I did have some leftover from the ring finger, and I do have a design in mind, so hopefully it does come all together. I will be going in with this beautiful foil of some butterflies, and I will be also using the nail polish transfer gel. Make sure it is fully I can't even talk, fully cured before you do place your foil, because if it's not fully cured, then it's not going to stick and it's just going to create a big mess. I do cure mine for like a minute or 90 seconds and it should be good. My idea for this set was some like transparent nail, like French tips, and then with some butterflies. So let me know down below how I did. And I miss working with Polygel. I don't know why I stopped working with Polygel, but this was like the first way I learned how to do nails, and definitely it's super easy and it doesn't smell, and yeah. So here I'm gonna go in with these tweezers. They're super helpful. I got them off of, well, Blissful Cream sent them over to me, and then I'm also using this foil I got from my PR packaging from Lavish Nails by Liz. If you haven't checked that video out, please do so. She has a lot of good goodies, and we also have a discount code with her. So I am going to be applying my flakes on my clear tips. That's the only place I'm placing them. And here I am back. My camera died and I didn't really realize, so I'm sorry, but I did apply my foil and encapsulate, and I did shape my nails. So here I'm going in with my top coat, which this top coat is super shiny, and you'll see here on my pictures at the very end that it's super shiny. So I really like this top coat, so I will be applying this all over my nails. And then you guys, I found these really nice and big rhinestones at the 99-cent store, so make sure you guys run to your nearest 99-cent store. They have a tons of crafts, like craft supplies, and they have this like really not big selection, but they do have a variety of rhinestones, and I do use some here. I mean, they're not the best quality, but you could totally use them for your practice sets and all that stuff, or like for a set you want to do and then take them off. I'm not too sure how they wear off, but I was so inspired because I love watching Vanity Val, and she loves to use big stones and bling bling, and I do too. So this was perfect. So as you see here, they are pretty big, but they're super shiny, and for $1, I mean, you can't go wrong with that. So as you see here, I have this like fuchsia color, and then we have this like baby pink. They're different shapes as well. So with the one that I have, the glittery Polygel, I'm gonna go in and use my nail polish gem glue and just place them. I didn't really have a design in mind, so I kind of just went with the flow. I mean, at the end, I think I liked how it turned out, like the layout of my rhinestones, but I mean, I think I could have done better. But anyways, yeah, run to your nearest 99. I know Dollar Tree does have some good goodies sometimes, so I mean, you should also check there if you're on a budget. That would be cool. I also did get some other goodies, but I'll save them for a next video to show you guys. But anyways, so that's what I'm doing here, and that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys like this unboxing video, and once again, please check them out. We do have a discount code, and I know this brand is going to do so well. I mean, their packaging is amazing, their product consistency is amazing, it's super easy to work with. So if you're a beginner, I highly recommend it. So once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.